Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome to another Unplanned video. Today is the 24th of September and we're currently in Ljubljana, leaving in just over an hour. We're heading to Salzburg, Austria. So we're just checking out of the hotel now and then heading down to the bus station to start the next little leg of our adventure. One last look around the room, hotel B&B before we go. So when you come in the door, you've got plenty luggage space here, and underneath a little desk area where I've sat and edited the vlogs. Fridge in there, lovely comfortable bed, bedside tables and USBs, light controls on each side. Nice big TV, beautiful view over Ljubljana out the window. Bathroom and shower in there. And just to finish off, this is the bathroom. Obviously we're checking out, so the towels are down there. Lovely spacious shower, sink, hairdryer underneath there. Very nice. Recommend. Hotel B&B, fantastic. Right, we're walking down to the bus station. We've checked out at the hotel. Thoughts on Ljubljana, Pam?
Beautiful, and I love it.
It is a beautiful city. We've spent so much time here because it's just so beautiful. It's lovely. Walking around. Yeah,
I've
done 5 here. But look at this lovely artwork behind on the building. So heading down for our bus now. Get some breakfast on the way, and then next stop will be Salzburg. Let's go. Back at the bus station. Whew. Well, the weather in Salzburg looks a lot nicer than where we are right now in Ljubljana. This is our Flixbus. It's arrived early. It's the drivers keeping out the rain. Brilliant. We're on board the Flix now. Leave this weather behind us. Beautiful. Stopped in Village. We were going to come to this place, and that was the hotel, Harry's home hotel. We're going to stay. Salzburg now. We were told it was free on a Sunday. Right, we've checked into our hotel, another hotel B&B, but this view on leaving the hotel though. So we've just got off the bus. It's free transport for 3 days in Salzburg. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Look at all the love locks. Look at that one. There's another one. They must sell these around here. Look at this. There's a little festival thing going on along here. But there's somebody playing boats and hoes down here. And this is Mozart's birthplace here. He must have nipped into that spa for like milk and eggs when he was young. There it is, that yellow building. Is that not the poshest McDonald's sign you've ever seen? Look at these lovely signs. Look at this one. This street is beautiful. So this is like the attire that we're all wearing today. I said to Pam, I want to see how much it costs. I'm not wearing any of that anytime soon. Wow, it looks awesome though, those shorts. Insane. Here's some more, the traditional attire. The jackets look so cool. This one's a bit cheaper. Look at that. Wow. This guy's making the schnitzels fresh. Veal. Into the breadcrumbs. Yeah.
Well, I would like
Look
to
at that. And there's the castle just proudly sitting up on the hill. There's another shop. This one's a bit more affordable, but still out of my price range. Look
No,
at this area here.
oh, is it?
Look at all the Salzburg salt. Look. Salty. Look, we've just stumbled upon some little festival thing here. Look at it. Look at this place. We just came around the back and this is where all the food seems to be. Look, they've got a funicular that goes up to the castle. This is epic. It's like an Oktoberfest thing. Just look at how beautiful this street is. Look. Some of these shops are really good. Some of these shops are shats. Look at this tiny cute little pub. Look at that lit up. It's absolutely beautiful by night as well. Look at everything just lit up. So it's an 11-minute wait for the 3 because it's free. But this is amazing that it's free transport, like so good. Then all of the bus stops tell you when it's going to be, look. So the 3 to Salzburg Nord, we're riding it all the way at the end, 10 minutes. Okay, we've made it to Belvedere Park. My hat just blew down the street and Pam went chasing after it right in front of the Daniel Hotel.